Okay, we got 3 problems here. The first one's on this slide. The next ones are later on. You can forward if you want to see 20 or 21. Now, if EF is 6, let's label it as 6, and EG, the entire thing, so let's say EF is 6 and EG, the entire thing, is 21, then find the value of FG. Well, just like the segment addition postulate, and let's call that missing value X, we know that 6 plus X equals 21, and therefore we can then say minus 6, and we get X is equal to, what's 21 minus 6? It is 15. Okay? So just like the segment addition postulate says you can add the short segments up to make the long segment, we can subtract one of the small segments from the total length of the long one and find out what the other length is. And so that is answer B. Okay, if EF is 4x plus 15, 4x plus 15, and FG is 39, and we know that EG, the entire thing, is 110, then find the value of X. Well, segment addition postulate again, 4x plus 15 plus 39 equals the entire length of 110. And so we combine like terms, 4x plus 54 equals 110, and we subtract 54, and we get 4x is equal to 56, and X then is equal to 14. Next slide. Okay, EF is 2x minus 12, and FG is 3x minus 15. Oops. And the whole length of EG is 23. Okay, finding all of the values now. Well, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say 2x minus 12 plus 3x minus 15 is equal to the total length of 23. That's the segment addition postulate. And now we combine like terms. We get 5x minus 27 equals 23. Adding 27 to both sides, we get 5x is equal to 50. So when we divide by the coefficient of the variable, we get x equals 10. Okay, that's part of our answer. And we can eliminate B and D. Sorry, program got a little glitchy there, but we can eliminate B and D because they don't have x equals 10. Now we can say, let's take segment EF, the length of EF, which we'll say is right here, right? EF is equal to 2x minus 12, and 2 times, we found x to be 10, is 20 minus 12, or 8. EF measures 8. Okay? And then we'll do the same thing for FG. FG is equal to 3x minus 15. And that is 3 times whatever x is minus 15. We found x to be 10. Or 30 minus 15. Or FG measuring 15. And so we box that and box this. And which answer has that? X equals 10. EF is 8. FG is 15. That is answer A. And just fun fact, just to take a look at it, notice how answer B had the length of EF equaling -6 and FG equaling -6. You're never going to have a negative length. You could just look at that answer and be like, cross that one out. You cannot have negative length. Got it? Okay.